Use this DIY organic body scrub recipe for clear, soft and radiant skin. It's an all-natural body scrub and so easy to make, and it lathers so well. To make this organic body scrub recipe, you need a soap base, and for my soap base I'm using African black soap. I'm going to shred my African black soap, and I'm using African black soap because it is a natural exfoliant that helps to improve skin texture. African black soap is so natural and made with organic ingredients such as coconut extract, cocoa pod, shea butter, palm extract and plantain extract, among other ingredients. These ingredients used in formulating African black soap are so rich in nutrients that can enhance and improve the appearance of the skin. So after shredding my African black soap, I'm going to transfer it into a bowl and then prepare the next ingredient I'm going to use to dissolve this soap. Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel and thank you for your support. And if you're new, you are most welcomed. Here I make content to help keep your hair healthy and your skin glowing and healthy. So do consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button and be part of this amazing community. You'll find content I create on this channel very helpful. So go ahead, subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. So here I have my aloe vera which I have cleaned properly, and I will go ahead to extract the aloe vera gel. Now I use aloe vera here because aloe vera is so soothing to the skin. This will help to soften the skin, keep it supple, and also protect the skin from free radicals. Aloe vera is great as a moisturizer, so it is going to help to moisturize the skin, hydrate the skin properly, make the skin soft, supple, and calm irritated skin. So here I have my extracted aloe vera juice, which I'm going to go ahead to blend it right away. So next I'm going to pour this all over my soap. This is going to dissolve this soap and give me the African black soap base I need. I usually use aloe vera to dissolve my black soap, and this makes it easy to dissolve. I'm going to set it aside for at least 2 hours to dissolve properly. Now it is best to also make this and leave it overnight to dissolve properly if you have the time. And I'm also going to go ahead to prepare my lemon zest or lemon peel. Now lemon peel is very important in this body scrub because lemon is high, especially the zest or the peel is high in vitamin C. And vitamin C is great for brightening the skin, reducing pigmentation and removing dull skin, giving you a brighter, clear, radiant skin. So now I'm going to combine all my ingredients, starting with sugar. I'm using white sugar here, but you can choose either white sugar or brown sugar. I'm using sugar here because sugar is a great exfoliant. Sugar will help to remove dead skin cells, remove impurities from the outer layer of the skin, leaving our skin soft, clean and clearer. Sugar is rich in glycolic acid, which can help to lighten skin and diminish the appearance of scars and pigmentations. Next ingredient is my coffee, and I'm using coffee bean powder, but you can use the regular Nescafe. Just use the one with caffeine and not the decaffeinated one, because we need the caffeine in the coffee, as it will help to tighten up the skin, reduce cellulite, improve blood flow around the skin. Coffee is so good on the skin. It is rich in vitamin B3 that can help to prevent skin abnormalities, decrease the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and give you a clear, smooth skin. I am also going to be using ginger powder. I'm using ginger powder here because it's great for tightening the skin, improving blood flow, and encouraging skin regeneration. This will help to encourage new skin cell growth and also promote a smooth, clear, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So here I have my ginger powder added, and I'm combining everything thoroughly. So here I have the lemon zest I shredded earlier on. I'm going to also add it here and combine everything properly. Now you can use orange peel in place of lemon zest, and you can also use orange powder or lemon powder in place of the fresh one I use, but I love using the fresh one. Somehow I feel like it works faster and better. Now the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is my vitamin E. I'm using about 2 capsules of the regular vitamin E, and I'm going to add it. Vitamin E is necessary here as it helps with moisturization and hydrating, and also protecting the skin. It will also promote production of collagen, which will help to strengthen our skin. It will also help to elongate the shelf life of this product or of this body scrub. Now I am going to add my soap base, which has fully melted. I left it for about 2 hours, and in between I stirred it properly to make sure it is fully dissolved. Now this African black soap and aloe vera is great if you have saggy skin, wrinkles, or skin scar. This will help to diminish it within a short period of time. Like if you're consistent with this body scrub, you're going to see a huge difference within a month of using this body scrub. Now, so it is time for me to combine the powders with my soap base, and now this is going to be a little tricky. If you want your body scrub watery or somehow loose, then you can add more soap, and if you want it thick, then just add little quantity of the soap base. And even if you mistakenly added much liquid and you want it thicker, just add more sugar. Like depending on the consistency of the body scrub you like, you can add soap base to make it loose or add more sugar to make it thick. And now I'm going to be storing it in this jar I recycled, but I made sure I cleaned it and sanitized it properly before transferring my body scrub. Now this body scrub doesn't have any preservative. Naturally, African black soap preserves, but it is best to make this in small batches, or you can also add preservative if you want it to last longer. But this body scrub will help clear your skin, smoothen your skin, reduce the appearance of wrinkles and stretch marks in just at least 1 month of using this body scrub. So I do hope you find this video helpful. I do hope you give this body scrub a try. It is natural, organic, and you don't have anything to fear here. So thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you'll be doing differently, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay beautiful.